Maximizing resources, a guide to wise utilization. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important and practical topic: use resources wisely. This phrase is not only crucial in everyday life but also a valuable principle in learning English. Understanding what it means and how to apply it can make a big difference in your learning journey. So, let's explore this together. The phrase, use resources wisely, combines two key concepts: resources and wisely. Resources refer to anything that can be used to achieve a goal, such as time, books, websites, or even people who can offer help and advice. Wisely means in a way that shows experience, knowledge, and good judgment. Together, the phrase encourages us to use what is available to us in the most effective and judicious manner. Using resources wisely is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that we make the most out of what we have, whether it's limited or abundant. In language learning, this could mean utilizing the best tools and methods available to us, tailored to our learning style and objectives. Secondly, it helps in conserving resources for future needs, preventing waste of time, money, and energy. Lastly, it fosters sustainable practices and promotes creativity and innovation by challenging us to think critically about how we use our resources. 1. Identify your resources. Start by taking stock of all the resources you have at your disposal for learning English. This includes textbooks, online courses, language apps, native speakers, and more. 2. Evaluate their effectiveness. Not all resources are created equal. Assess how effective each resource is in helping you achieve your learning goals. Focus on those that provide the best results. 3. Create a plan. With your best resources in mind, create a structured plan that incorporates them into your daily or weekly routine. Be realistic about the time and effort you can dedicate. 4. Monitor and adjust. Keep track of your progress and be prepared to adjust your strategy. If a resource isn't working as well as you hoped, consider trying something new. 5. Share and seek feedback. Discuss your learning strategies with peers or mentors. They might offer insights into how you can use your resources even more effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of using resources wisely, especially in the context of learning English. Remember, the goal is not just to use as many resources as possible, but to use them effectively and efficiently. By doing so, you're not only advancing your language skills but also developing critical life skills in resource management. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.